Testing out the Kasumi Titanium once again. Great knife. Very simple garnish. It's nice because you can go so thin with this knife. Maple edge grain, all thicknesses, made in USA. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you liked the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. Okay, we got an apple bird here. Check it out. And keep cooking.